Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. This indicator is giving you result. Let me show you the results. Here 72.41% accuracy. That's fine. Okay, that actually not fine. It's very good. Okay, and the question is either the indicator is repaint or not. So first let's replay the mode and let's see the indicator is repainted or not. We will replay the video from this point. Okay, so you can see the indicator is repainted or not. Okay, the indicator name is King of Cobra indicator, and let me show you the back testing results. Okay, let's replay the video, and here we got the buy signal. When you got the signal, price was 36.39, and the price is, you can see, market goes from 39 to 46. It's around okay, and 45 56. You can see it's gave you a very good results. Okay, is this short signal actually did not give you the profit. Okay, but if you will follow the trend line as well, let me show you. Here you can see the buy signal gave you a very good results, and here you can see the reversal up signal, and the this is also green one, so the reversal signal also give you the profit according to the trend. Follow the reversal signal, but here you can see the buy signal as well, and you can see it's give a huge profit. Like here, when you got the signal, the price was 53. From 53 to market goes to currently 90. Okay, it's around $40 movement so far. Okay, and market is still going upside. Okay, $40 means in the and you can see it's around more than 40 and now $50 movement in the 50, and now you can see $60 movement so far. Okay, when you got the signal, the price was 55. Okay, from 55 market goes from 55 to current market price is 725. You can say 45, 50, 60, 70 or 80. So far $80 movement, $80 movement in the gold. You can see how much you get the profit. You can estimate. Okay, just a rough estimate. If you are getting with the lot size of around 0.05, then this indicator give you more than 150 to 100 to $150 movement or dollar profit. Okay, and you can see. Okay, this buy signal, because of the trend, you can follow this buy signal, but you can follow all the signals. There is no issue. I will show you how. Here you can see when you got the signal, the price was 337.45. From 45 to market is now currently on 80. Okay, it's around more than $35 moment. $35 moment in the gold, and you are for example, you are trading with a lot size of 0.05. That's meant it's giving you around $50 or 45 to $50 profit. And this one is around 0.05. 0.05 means this indicator give you the profit of around 70 to $80, maybe $100 profit. This 140, and zero point zero 0.05 lot size. Okay, zero point 0.0 lot size actually a very good lot size. Okay, here you, when you got the signal, the is give you the profit of around more than $200. Okay, so that is the beauty of this indicator. Okay, and here this is the most recent signal, and market is current is upside in the gold, and you can see the results. Okay, let me show you the results in the gold. Oh, sorry, BTC. In the BTC, and let me show you. First we will see the steady tester, how much we are getting profit. 76%, you can say 77%. That's actually good one, not bad at all. Here you can see this is the most recent buy signal in the gold, oh sorry, BTC. And here you can see in the previous signal you got the buy signal. Okay, and the current trend is also on the green, so it will give you very good results at the end. Okay, like here you got the sell signal. Sell signal did not give you enough profit because of the this trend line, but that's fine. Here let me show you how. Here you can see this one short buy signal did not give you the profit, but the point is you are not getting loss. Okay, the main point is you are not getting loss. Okay, and that is the beauty of this indicator. Here, according to the trend, the short signal, and it's give amazing result. According to the trend, this is short signal, and you can see it's give amazing result. Okay, this buy signal also give you a very good profit. Okay, the short signal did not give you a very good profit. The buy signal did not give you the profit. For example, in this trade you got a few cents loss, and the loss recover, and the trading and the profit as well in the next trade. Okay, in the next buy trade you can see the results. Okay, if for example in this trade you got a few cents loss maybe. Okay, and in the next trade hopefully it will recover the loss and the profit as well. Okay, so that is the beauty of this indicator. It will at the end of each day it will give a very good results at the end of each day. Okay, so hopefully you will love this video, and any question, any query you can ask me. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Okay, and if you need the indicator you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Let me show you my contact details. If you need the indicator you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. Write one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram, because there are some fake Telegram channels. And Gmail simple होगा @gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Any query, any question you can ask me. I give you the best explanation. Hopefully you will love this video. I receive a lot of requests from the people that show the results in the BTC and the gold. So I show you the results in the 5-minute time frame and in the BTC and the gold. So if you want to see the results in some other pairs, let me show you. If you are from not trading in gold, and you are like I also request for the SPY. Let me show you the results in the SPY as well. Okay, here you can see the indicator is so good. Okay, so let's replay the mode in this pair as well. Okay, let's replay from this point. Okay, we will test the indicator from this point, and with the maximum speed let's move to the 10x and let's replay. Okay, the short signal. According to the trend we need a buy signal. Okay, okay, now the trend is on the sell side, and you will see. Okay, that's very fine. And here you got the buy signal, and the trend is also green one, so it will definitely will give you some good results. Speed is 10x but it decrease. I want to speed up the video, but maybe there is some slow internet, that is the reason its speed is not good. Okay, here you got the short signal, here you got the buy signal. Okay, now the speed is good one. Okay, here you can see this one. So if you need the indicator you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on Telegram, or you can also contact me on my Gmail. I give you the best explanation. Hopefully you will like this video as usual, and must like my video, must subscribe my channel for the next video. Bye bye, take care.